we got the Gorilla cart. Yes, this is on clearance on some of the lows. They're putting in the new Cobalt. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, this is these are the wheels or the tires. They are 13 inches, so these are the pretty big size. This is a 7 cubic feet or cart. So this is kind of like the bigger, not the biggest, but I believe that the biggest one is 12. It does have this pin, so you guys do remove this pin and you guys can have pretty much it flew out. But pin that goes in there, and then you can basically push this one down. Yeah, push that one down like so, and then you can put a lawn tractor or ATV, whatever you have that has a connection. Now you can put that pin back and pretty much lock it into place, and then use it as a trailer, as a little trailer for the utility trailer for the vehicle. Really like the fact that it does stay up when you got the handle. This is the handle that you use to unlock the load and pretty much lift it, and you guys could unload basically. And a quick tour around the cart, as you guys do see. And this thing's gonna save so much your back. I mean, I'm already enjoying it as we speak, because I have a bigger yard, about half an acre, and I have to carry all this trash, bulk trash, once a month. And this thing's gonna help me a lot. I mean, and then it is capable of carrying about 1,200 pounds. So you guys could imagine what that's the way it looks at the bottom. Pretty much all metal. And then if you guys do see, the wheels do move when you guys are unloading. So they do move, and you can even tilt that back part all the way to the back, so you can get like some sort of angle, so you guys could empty out pretty much whatever is in the back there. The plate where it slides, back and forth from the wheels. Yeah, and unfortunately I can't do it. I can't show you guys the wheels because the wheels they do actually move with the load. So it makes it easier for you to unload, because the wheels are attached to the back part of the truck basically. So it's all metal construction, heavy duty. I mean, it could carry probably a few of you. I should just try it by myself and just carry myself there, or attach my dogs or something. But yeah guys, this is a really nice cart. Definitely enjoy it. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out for you guys, see how well it does. I already used it, by the way. I already used it a couple times to move some stuff around, some heavy stuff around. But I will be using it today for some bulk trash today. It rolls very, very smooth. Even when it's loaded, it still rolls like this because of the tires. Bigger tires, they are aired, so you guys could put definitely get some slime on these tires. It'll definitely help you out, not get flats and all that stuff. But you guys do see how this thing rolls. And basically you get a 0 turn capacity on this thing. So it does turn on its place. That's pretty much a 0 turn, as you guys do see some of the mowers. Alright, here we have it loaded. It is carrying one of those roofing rolls. Those things are heavy. And I got a box of tile in there, full with tile, and then some random tile pieces there, and some trash. And you guys do see it's rolling like nothing. Plastic crate pretty much filled with tile. Now I put some more trash on top. See, if you guys got trash like this, you guys could put a ratchet strap basically around there and ratchet it down, and that way you can avoid your trash being spilled or whatever, your load being spilled. But yeah, you guys can load this thing all the way to the top even more, because this thing is able to handle it. And also let us know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this cart? Do you guys have one of these? Do you guys don't have one of these? Guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes.